viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free BNB, which is Binance coin, directly to your Faucetpay account, and when you reach the minimum on your Faucetpay, you send it directly to your Trust Wallet account. So guys, all you need to do is to follow me through this video and learn how you can earn from the site which I'm going to be showing you today. So guys, if you know you're watching this video and you enjoy what we are doing on this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be among the first to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called home.chuksblog.fun. So guys, to earn on this site, all you need to do, when you click the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, you are going to be seeing over here faucet and short links. So when you click on the faucet, you are going to be seeing various cryptocurrencies which you can earn, and I'm going to be showing you on BNB, which is over here. So all you need to do is to click on Faucet BNB. Now when you click on it, as you can see, the amount of BNB given is not that much. As you can see, you get just 8 Satoshi for viewing for 15 seconds, but you can do this unlimitedly. Now when you scroll up, you are going to be seeing this. Please click on the anti-bot link in the following order: 278, which we are going to be doing 8 minus 6, sorry, which is 2, 7 and 8. So guys, when that is done, you click on the I'm not a robot. Now after that is done, you go ahead and claim now. Click on claim now, and your earning is going to be sent directly to your Faucetpay account. As you can see over here, success, this amount has been sent directly to your account. Now you click on OK, and you can wait again for 15 seconds to earn, and to repeat this action again. Now you click on go claim, and you repeat the same again by clicking the anti-bot link in the following order and I'm not a robot. So guys, as you can see, another one has been sent again to our Faucetpay account. So guys, this is how you can earn free BNB on this site. And another way to earn again is when you click on the three lines again, you click on short links, which is over here. Now you go to BNB, short link BNB, sorry. So guys, as you can see, when you click on the short link BNB, as you can see, visiting of short link is higher than just the ordinary faucet claim. So all you need to do is you scroll up, and you can see when you visit this site, you are going to be getting 14 Satoshi. Visit this, 10 Satoshi. And when you are done visiting all, as you can see over here, you just have 13 to claim. And when you finish visiting the site, the total is going to be 135 Satoshi. So you just have 13 links, and when that is done, you are going to be getting your reward for visiting those links. So guys, this is how you can earn free BNB on this site without any investment coming from your own side. So guys, if you know you enjoy what we do on this channel, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be among the first to be notified on that. Thanks for watching.